Hello, work life warriors. Happy hump day. How are you? Happy Juneteenth. How are you doing today? I hope your day is going well. As you can see, I am at Dorothea Dix Park for my community of practice. This is my group of entrepreneurs that get together monthly and we play the stress away. So this is my entrepreneurs community of practice here at Dorothea Dix once a month. And so I am out here relaxing, waiting on everyone to get here. And I thought I'll take the opportunity to do some deep breathing with you, or at least check in and see how you're doing. How's everything been? I've been so busy, I haven't had a chance to do any lives. Come in and check with you all, see how you've been. So what's up? What's new? How's your work week? Did you play? Did you do anything fun this week? How about today? Did you do anything fun today? Today is Juneteenth. For those of us who had to go to work today, did we do anything playful or fun? Did we enjoy ourselves? I had a great day today. I had so much fun today, and I get to end it. Oh, I just left the yoga today. I had a deep breathing session, and I get to end it with a community of practice. And I'll probably go out and do something later today. So, as you can see, I make play a priority, which brings so much happiness, joy, satisfaction to my life, and we should do the same. Stress is one of those things that we just cannot avoid, and when we are stressed, our breathing is the first thing impacted. So we must go out our way to make sure that we are practicing deep breathing, make sure that our breaths are robust, they're not shallow, irregular. We want to make sure that our inhales are as long as our exhales. We want to make sure in our most stressful moments that we check in with our breathing, right? Since it is the first thing impacted and it's the easiest thing that we can change through a little mindfulness and some deep breathing awarenesses and practices, then it's a no-brainer, right? Since it's the first thing impacted, it should be the first thing that we try to manage. And it's easy to do because it's just bringing awareness to your breathing, how you're breathing. If your breathing is shallow or robust, if you're breathing in your chest or your belly, those things are really important to elicit a relaxation response. And so we want to make sure that we are not hyperventilating when we are stressed out, and we are taking our time to activate our parasympathetic nervous system. And it just takes some deep breaths. You don't even have to do it for a long time, maybe a minute or two of deep breathing, counting your breaths, making sure that your inhale is as long as your exhale. So what we'll do is do just one set of deep breaths. We'll inhale through our nose, taking as much air as we can without strain. We'll pause for a second, and then we will exhale. No need to force the air out. We're just going to let it go. And make sure that our breathing is even and non-constricting, and that it is in our belly, or we are breathing down deep into our belly and not our chest, okay? So I want you to go ahead and inhale through your nose. Pause. And exhale. All right, let's do 3 more of these. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Last one, make it a good one. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Good job. Natural breathing. How do you feel? You can use this moment or use that technique in your most stressful moments. Just bring awareness to your breathing. Make sure that you're inhaling through your nose, taking as much air as you possibly can. Pause for a second and exhale through your mouth, and make sure that your inhales are as long as your exhales. And so I hope that you get out in nature today, get out there and play. It is your responsibility to do it. If you do not do it, then stress doesn't go away, or the impacts of stress, they just pile up until you feel physical symptoms. Remember, stress is an emotion, so anytime you're feeling the emotion of stress, the after effect is your physical symptoms. So you want to make sure that you're dealing with the emotion of stress in the moment in a maladaptive way, so that you can use stress to build you and not break you. So I hope this helped Work Life Warriors. Get out there and play today, manage your stress, practice some deep breathing. I am Ebony Davenport, and I teach stress management. I show people how to utilize fun management solutions to decrease stress and counter burnout, so that we're happier, healthier, and well balanced. I use over 75 tips, tools, tricks, and techniques, and today we talked about one of my favorite, which is deep breathing. So go out there and manage your breathing and play the stress away. I hope this helped, Work Life Warriors. Have a great day. Bye.